Hey, it's Dad again with a new recipe for you. Today, we're gonna make chicken and sausage gumbo. And these are the ingredients. Chicken thighs, sausage, onion, celery, garlic, green pepper, bay leaf, vegetable oil, flour, chicken broth, onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, salt, pepper. And the secret ingredient, Tabasco sauce. So I'll give you a chance to go out there and get all those ingredients. Okay, we're back. We're gonna put the heat on high. Pan. And the sausage. Okay, now we're gonna add the chicken. Onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And now we're gonna add the Old Bay seasoning. Okay, now we're gonna remove the chicken. So we set aside the chicken and the sausage. Now we're gonna add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil and the butter. Okay, now we're gonna get the flour and about a cup. And we're gonna whisk it in there little by little. About a tablespoon at a time. As you can see, it starts to turn into a gummy paste. You may want to lower the temperature. You don't want to burn this. Okay, don't let it burn. Now we're gonna go in there with the vegetables. Of the chicken broth. You want to whisk it so it doesn't get lumpy. We're going to add the bay leaf. So it's been cooking about 3 or 4 minutes. Just a little bit of water just to thin it out, depending on what consistency you want. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add the sausage. And now we're going to add the chicken. And then you want to add the Tabasco. You want to go ahead and lower the heat and let that cook down for about 45 minutes. And there you have it, chicken and sausage gumbo.